117 candidates for completion and graduation, school year 2025-2026 of children of Mary Immaculate College, of whom are 193 male and 224 female. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education and Commission on Higher Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation. By the virtue of the authority vested in me by the School Division Superintendent of the School Division of Valenzuela City, Dr. Noel D. Podano, and upon the presentation and certification of your guidance counselor, Ma'am Adoracion de la Cruz, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements for graduation in senior high school under your respective track and strands prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm your graduation this 30th day of April 2026 at Children of Mary Immaculate College, Incorporated, here at Islay-Dome, Quezon City, for school year 2025-2026. You now have the right to receive the diploma. Congratulations to all of you and to your grandparents, padayon and mabuhay.